Hello. In this video, we will compute the limit of a rational function. In this example, we have to compute the limit as x goes to 3 of the rational function, 1 over x, minus 1 over 3, divided by x minus 3. This is also an interesting example because we will learn how to deal with fractions. Usually, calculus students have lots of difficulties dealing with fractions. In this example, we will be adding and dividing fractions. It is key to master these algebraic manipulations. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. As before, we see that when we evaluate the function at the point x equal to 3, we have 1 over 3, minus 1 over 3, divided by 3 minus 3. Thus, we get 0 over 0, which is undefined. This tells us that we have to simplify the whole function. Given that on the numerator, we have the difference of two fractions, we have to reduce them to the same denominator. So the numerator of the main fraction will be 3 times 1 minus x times 1 and its denominator is 3 times x. In fact, we are applying the basic principle for adding and subtracting fractions, which consist in multiplying the numerator of the first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction, and the numerator of the second with the denominator of the first to obtain the new numerator. The new denominator is just obtained by multiplying both denominators of the initial fractions. Given that, on the numerator, we have a fraction and on the denominator, we have a polynomial, it is usually simpler to also write the denominator as a fraction. We do it by just dividing the polynomial x minus 3 by 1. Now, we have a fraction of fractions. This can be simplified by multiplying the fraction on the numerator by the reciprocal of the fraction in the denominator. We rearrange the numerator, and it turns out that x minus 3 is the common factor of both the numerator and denominator. Then, we simplify x minus 3 and obtain negative 1 divided by 3x. This new expression do not have the term that was causing the 0 over 0. We should be able to compute the limit by using the quotient law, by dividing the limit of the numerator by the limit of the denominator. This is the same as plugging the value 3 into the expression. Now that we have fully simplified the expression, we can compute the limit by plugging 3. So the limit is negative 1 divided by 3 times 3. In sum, the limit is negative 1 over 9.